Hi, this is foreclosure defense attorney and legal blogger Roy Oppenheim. I've been asked by various folks in the media to comment on the very recent announcement that GMAC is going to suspend foreclosures in Florida as well as in 22 other states. The actual reason that they have done so remains unclear at this hour, yet there's a lot of speculation out there that it has to do with some bad documentation that we've been all talking about for a period of years now. It could concern falsification of certain documentation. It could concern bad assignments. It could also concern other practices that we have pointed out and that the Attorney General of the state of Florida, as well as possibly other folks, have been investigating. So we all need to stand by, but it's a very, very interesting dynamic. And of course, the irony, which can't be lost by the public, is that as Florida has attempted to create these rocket dockets and try and push people through foreclosure, sometimes cutting certain corners, I would say, of the Constitution by denying folks their full due process and constitutional rights. That process now is going to stop in its tracks. And the tremendous irony is that by having cut those corners, we now may well prolong the foreclosure crisis, because this moratorium that this bank has chosen to do, as well as possibly other banks may do, will actually now prolong the crisis. So I implore Florida, the judges in the state of Florida, and the foreclosure attorneys, the plaintiffs, to make sure that they follow the law and that they make sure that they don't abridge homeowners' constitutional rights, because only at the end will we all be proud of this moment. If we don't do that, we will be at times throwing the baby out with the bathwater. And the baby, of course, is the judicial process, the constitutional process that protects all of us as Americans. And so this is a very, very important dynamic that has occurred here. It's probably a watershed moment in the foreclosure crisis, but let us not lose the irony here that the process will now continue longer because of the attempts to abridge and cut these constitutional corners. So stay tuned. I'm foreclosure defense attorney Roy Oppenheim and legal blogger. Thank you very much.